Yo, what's going on? So right now, check this out, man. We getting a large push. We way away from this 20. It has to retrace, right? So I'm about to take my chances and go stew, sell, boom. This is kind of like my one candlestick strategy as well, where we have one candle, we sell, catch the retrace of it, take profits fairly quickly. You know what I'm saying? So I had to get in this trade, you feel me? Cause yeah, I just had to. I saw it, I said it's pushing heavy and we need that. So now I know it's pushing towards another zone, which I haven't marked up, but I'm gonna let this thing ride out because I already know we going into profit. So get my camera just a little bit closer to your boy. But yeah, so anytime you have a push, now let me show you, way away from this 20, right? You get a massive push and a candle and we got a lot of separation. Have you noticed anything about this 20 that we can't go too far away from it before we have to at least come back or at least retrace hard close to the 20, right? We ain't got to come back and touch it necessarily, but we got to do some type of little pullback somewhere. You feel me? So when I see setups like that, I'm in there. And on US 30, you already know. You already know. You know what I'm saying? Certain setups I don't even think about because I just know they there. But you know, certain ones you gotta think about. But right now, as you see, the profits they starting to roll in. That retrace. What did I tell you? I've been doing this for years, y'all. No cap. One candlestick strategy, easy money. Look at this. Look at this. Ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Quick 500. Should I take it or should I hold? Probably should take it. Let me see. Hold on. What we doing? Trying to see what he gonna do because I know it got a lot of room to retrace. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Now whether it does it right now or whether it does it later, it got a lot of room to retrace. We too far. We're too far away. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just to prove to y'all, I'm gonna hold this thing long term. So I'm gonna pause and I'll be back whether it's today, later today, or tomorrow. And we're gonna see what this thing did. Let's get it. Yo, so as you can see, we are now up around $800. It was $1,000, but right when I hit record, you know, it did what it had to do. You know what I'm saying? But that was basically just to show you that you can easily make some money. Now the account balance is at 24,000. All right. So again, you ever get something super far away from this 20 right here? All right. And then also you get some overbought, oversold levels as well. I mean, that's a give and go. You can hold, but just know that since this is an uptrend, you may get one candle, you may get another here, but eventually we'll turn back around. All right. So yeah, that's the easiest way to catch, you know, quick scalps and stuff like that. You can hold with confidence with things like that as well, and just know that, hey, we got to at least come back close because you see all of these candles had to come back somewhere close to the 20 moving average, right? Too far away. So that gave me the confidence to hold. All right. So if you ever needed confidence to hold, there it is. You know what I mean? So anytime you're trading with this, there's a lot of different ways you can do it, but just look at this one as well. First entry here, right when the stochastic is oversold, we far away. First entry. All right, second entry, we crossed above the 20, came and retested. Second entry here, boom, right? And we letting it ride. We letting it ride on the buys. Okay. Retested again, really twice. I mean, if you wanted 2 more inches, you could, but you can hold, don't fold. Then we cross here, and it was a wrap on this particular pair, right? So you could do that on any pair that you would like. It works on every single pair. It works on everything. Best times to trade, again, you know, 3 in the morning. That's London session. or 7 in the morning, or if you're trading indices, around 8:39. You know what I mean? And that's Central Time, so whatever time that is for you Eastern, for my people on the East Coast. You dig? As you can see, we still trying to pull back a little bit, even more. Why? Because we trying to get close. We trying to get close to it. But right now, it's like it just wasn't really a good time to trade, but I just saw the setup. The best, like I said, it's 1:47 in the afternoon right now, so you know, most of the time I would not recommend anybody trading right now. But the setup was so good, I had to catch it, you know, before it was too late. You know what I mean? So as you see, it worked out. The max drawdown I went into, I think, was like $200 or $300. And then, you know, end up getting a good $900 out of it. Easy money, y'all. Easy money all day long. All right. So always remember, we cross above the 200, right? So this could be a first entry. If you line that up with this stochastic or RSI, whatever you use for overbought, oversold levels, so that could be first entry. Boom, second entry, we crossed above, closed above, and retested. Even if you got in early, you could still caught the retest. Boom, another entry, straight up. Then we got too far away, right, based on this, and we had to come on back. Quick pullback, and then probably take back off, right? I mean, it's textbook, y'all. It don't take, you know, much to get this stuff down. You just got to do it every day. And once you do it, it'll become second nature. I'm starting to see a lot of y'all hitting me up on Instagram and stuff, tagging me and just letting me know, look, man, this stuff work. You know what I mean? It worked. And you just keep it simple. Keep it simple like that, man, and you'll eat pretty much almost every time. You dig? It's your boy J Cash, man. I'll be uploading more videos. Holla at your boy. Let's get it.